and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Boost boost. Alright, let's check our fridge. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this capsicum. They're so old, but it's okay. I'm not going to throw them away. I have the solution for this. Back to the air fryer for 12 minutes to 100 degrees Celsius. After 12 minutes, we remove the wax paper. Don't forget to mix the capsicum. Check and put it back for 12 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. And this is now the final product. Store in an airtight container, preferably a glass one. This can be kept in the fridge for 3 months. Now let me share with you one of my simple recipes using this simple ingredient. Air-fried capsicum or air-fried bell pepper is a versatile ingredient. You can make countless recipes with it. And because it can be kept in the fridge for 3 months, it is available anytime you need it. Plus, it is so healthy and easy to make. This video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store, kitchen essentials curated for you, MOMiji's channel members, and MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly. There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, please post them in the comments box below. Please try my recipe and tag me in your videos so I can shout you out. Thank you for watching and happy cooking, MOMiji!